Cold ramen is a refreshing summer dish made with ramen noodles served in a chilled savory broth of chicken and kombu. Light yet satisfying, it delivers robust flavor without the heaviness of hot ramen. Full recipes on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we prepare the chicken. We use a boneless chicken breast, rub some salt and sugar on all sides, then let it sit in the fridge for 1 hour. Meanwhile, prepare other toppings of choice such as thinly cut cucumber and boiled eggs, and keep them all chilled. Next, we are going to make the soup. In a medium pot, combine water, green onion, sliced ginger, and crushed garlic. Heat over medium heat until just before boiling. Add the chicken and bring to a boil. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then turn off the heat. Add the kombu dried kelp for umami. Cover with a lid and let it sit for 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Remove the chicken and set aside and discard the onion, ginger, and garlic. And we are going to season the broth with some salt, soy sauce, sake, and mirin. And simmer for a couple of minutes. Remove from heat, let it cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours. Once the chicken is cool, slice it thinly and keep it chilled. Boil the ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Today we are using dry noodles called chukamen, but you can also use semi-fresh ramen noodles from the refrigerated section of Japanese or Asian grocery stores. Once the noodles are boiled, rinse them under cold running water and drain well. Cover with ice until ready to serve. To the chilled broth, add sesame seeds and sesame oil and mix well. Place the cold noodles in a bowl. Add the toppings such as cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, sliced chicken breast, and a boiled egg. Everything except noodles can be prepared ahead of time. Pour over the chilled broth and serve immediately. Cold and refreshing, this is a perfect dish to serve during the hot summer. We hope you try it soon.
美味しい。
美味しいね。